When the enemy reacts to an issue, it means that he introduces his vulnerability, and the assassination of 5 nuclear scientists in the past few years implies that nuclear energy is a nightmare for our foe. This has always been the same. Threaten, boycott, assassinate us. We will not give up. Iran's rank in the world. Our Iran is one of the 8 nuclear countries in the world. Our Iran is the 8th producer of uranium in the world. Our country is among the 10 submarine producing nations in the world. In our country, an advanced all-Iranian fighter is designed and produced. Iran is one of the 7 countries that manufacture destroyers in the world. Iran is among the top 5 countries in the world in the production of drones. Iran is one of the 5 countries that have a cyber army in the globe. The fastest torpedo in the world is produced in our country. Iran, which has achieved the technology to deflect cruise missiles on the planet. Iran ranks 2nd in the production of radar evading drones in the world. Iran is the only tank manufacturer in the Middle East. Iran is the 9th country with the space access. Why do you think the enemies of Iran do not have the courage to attack Iran? Because of the presence of brave Iranian men and having modern war equipment. Iran's global position in the field of medicine and health is the 3rd largest drug producer of MS across the world. Iran is the first producer of herbal medicine to inhibit HIV in the globe. Iran is categorized 5th in animal cloning. Iran is the first eye bioimplant manufacturer in the world. Iran is the first producer of bone building powder. Iran ranks 3rd in extracting stem cells from milk teeth. Iran ranks 4th in deafness in the world. Iran is the innovator of the first one-stage artificial trachea transplant in the world. Iran is the 2nd country in the world with the knowledge of manufacturing neural prostheses. Iran is the producer of the first rheumatism medicine in the world. The first herbal medicine for diabetic food ulcers has been produced in Iran. Iran ranks 5th in the production of blood clotting drugs in the world. These are only small parts of Iran's medical advances. Iran's position in the industry and technology sector. Iran ranks 3rd in the world in converting gas to gasoline. Our glorious country is rated 2nd in eye recognition technology. Iran is classified 4th in solar power in the world. Iran ranks 5th in the globe as a manufacturer of humanoid robots. Iran ranks 4th in the world in single turbine production. Iran is the only manufacturer of microballoons in the field of military aerospace. Iran is the only producer of 3D printers in the world. Iran holds the second space in the world in terms of biodiesel technology. Iran is the third producer of power transmission towers. Iran has achieved the technology of making an oil and gas drilling machine. Iran has the first technology rank of the world's largest concrete dam. Iran is the second country producing solar aircraft. Iran is the fourth producer of bioethanol in the world. Iran is the third country with the technology to build solar power plants on this planet. Iran has succeeded in making the first piece of space telescope weighing 60 tons. Iran has the largest space yard in the Middle East, and it continues the same way forever.